in the year 2040.
As we set foot on that forgotten island, little did we know that a single map would lead us on an unknown journey. The promise of boundless treasure tested our bonds, pitting friendship against fortune. Each step brought us closer to the prize, but also to the brink of betrayal. In the end, it wasn't the treacherous terrain that threatened us the most, but the moral dilemmas that tore at our unity. The island's secrets were nothing compared to the secrets within ourselves. Would we emerge victorious, or would greed and betrayal be our undoing?